Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious and jaw-dropping vehicles ever built, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome. This isn't just a car, it's a moving palace on wheels. Mercedes has taken the idea of ultra-luxury, travel, and combined it with the practicality of a high-end motorhome, creating something truly extraordinary. So buckle up, because we're going to explore every detail. Adam, from the exterior styling and interior design to the performance and price of this magnificent machine. Let's start with the overall presence of the 2026 Maybach Motorhome. When you first see it, it's immediately clear that this isn't your average camper. The design blends Maybach's signature elegance with the commanding size of a luxury RV. The front grille features the iconic vertical Maybach chrome bars, framed by adaptive digital headlights that adjust automatically to road conditions. The massive Maybach emblem sits proudly on the hood, while the chrome accents continue along the sides, giving it a truly regal appearance. The body lines are smooth and aerodynamic, which is impressive considering its size. The motorhome rides on huge 22-inch Maybach forged alloy wheels, wrapped in all-season tires, ensuring both style and stability. Even the side mirrors are equipped with cameras that feed into a 360-degree view system, making maneuvering this luxury beast surprisingly effortless. Now step inside, and this is where the magic truly begins. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, comfort, and technology. Mercedes-Maybach has gone all out with the finest Napa leather upholstery, real wood trim, and ambient lighting that can be customized in 64 different colors. The cabin feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a vehicle. The front seats are fully adjustable, ventilated, and feature massage functions, while the rear lounge area takes comfort to another level. There's a built-in reclining sofa that transforms into a bed, a retractable 55-inch OLED smart TV, and a mini kitchen complete with an induction cooktop, refrigerator, and espresso machine. The Maybach Motorhome also features a small but elegant dining area that can comfortably seat 4 people. The windows are electrochromic, meaning you can tint them at the touch of a button for complete privacy. There's even a compact luxury bathroom with a rain shower, marble flooring, and heated towel racks. Every surface, switch, and panel has a premium feel, and the attention to detail is simply stunning. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a mild hybrid system. Together, they deliver around 600 horsepower and over 700 pound-feet of torque. That's plenty of power to move this massive vehicle with grace and confidence. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and Mercedes's advanced air suspension ensures a buttery smooth ride, even on rough terrain. You can choose between several drive modes, including comfort, eco, and sport, depending on your driving mood. The motorhome also comes with all-wheel drive for better traction and control. In terms of technology, it's loaded with every feature you'd expect from a flagship Mercedes. The MBX Hyperscreen dominates the dashboard, offering 3 massive displays seamlessly integrated into one curved glass panel. You get voice control, augmented reality navigation, and full connectivity for your smart devices. The audio experience is equally breathtaking, with a 4D Burmester surround sound system that turns the cabin into a concert hall. Safety is top tier too, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, and a night vision camera for safer nighttime driving. Now let's talk about the price. As you might expect, all this luxury comes at a serious cost. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome starts at around $650,000, but with customization options, it can easily exceed $800,000 or more. However, for those who want the ultimate expression of mobile luxury and comfort, it's worth every penny. So there you have it, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome. It's powerful, beautiful, and absolutely dripping in luxury. Whether you're on a cross-country adventure or parked at a 5-star resort, this machine ensures you travel in unmatched style. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more luxury car content, and let me know in the comments. Would you take a road trip in this incredible Maybach motorhome? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.